Welcome back to the channel, Auto Plus Reviews. Today, we have something extraordinary to talk about: the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, Ferrari's first ever SUV. This stunning machine marks a bold new direction for the brand, and we're going to dive into its details, from its exterior and interior to performance and pricing. First, let's talk about the exterior. The Ferrari Purosangue carries the brand's signature aggressive and sleek design language, but with a more rugged twist. The front end is sharp, with the iconic Ferrari grille and narrow LED headlights, giving it a distinctive look on the road. Its sculpted body features aerodynamic lines that enhance its performance, while the flared wheel arches highlight its sporty nature. The Purosangue rides on 22-inch wheels in the front and 23-inch wheels at the rear, adding to its powerful stance. The rear end is equally impressive, with wide taillights and a sculpted rear diffuser, emphasizing Ferrari's commitment to performance even in an SUV format. Moving on to the interior, Ferrari continues its tradition of luxurious craftsmanship. The cabin is a masterpiece, combining the latest technology with fine materials. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display that serves as the car's main control hub, while the layout of the center console ensures everything is within easy reach. Leather upholstery, polished aluminum accents, and a premium sound system elevate the experience, making it a truly luxurious ride. The Purosangue is a four-door, four-seat SUV, so there's ample space for both front and rear passengers, making long drives comfortable. The rear seats even offer plenty of room for adults, unlike some other performance SUVs. You'll also find Ferrari's signature attention to detail, with fine stitching and materials that make the cabin feel incredibly premium. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Ferrari Purosangue is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces an astonishing 725 horsepower. Paired with a sophisticated all-wheel drive system and a dual-clutch transmission, this SUV can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. This is more than just an SUV, it's a Ferrari, and it drives like one. The handling is sharp, the ride is incredibly smooth, and even with all that power, the Purosangue offers a driving experience that's as thrilling as any of Ferrari's sportier models. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking tight corners, this SUV provides a dynamic performance that stands apart in its class. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue comes with a hefty price tag, starting at around $400,000. Of course, with that price, you're getting the pedigree of Ferrari, unmatched performance, and top-tier luxury, so it's no surprise. Customization options could push that price even higher, but the Purosangue is undoubtedly worth it for anyone looking to combine Ferrari's iconic driving experience with the practicality of an SUV. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. It's an impressive vehicle that redefines what a Ferrari can be. If you like this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews from Auto Plus Reviews.